Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julia and Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, and sex and relationship tips. So if you have not subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button. It's free. Support my channel, help my channel to grow, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you'll be able to see my video. And also don't forget to click the like button if you find this video interesting. As to do so, God bless. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a whitening black soap that you can use at home. We all know the benefits of a healthy skin. We all want to look good, we all want to glow, and we all know that the best makeup you can wear is a good skin. So this particular black soap recipe that I'm about to show you, with or without cream, you will get a good result with it. With or without cream, it will brighten your skin. It's a brightening whitening soap. So let's get started without wasting too much of your time. Okay, right here is my black soap. This is quantity for personal use. I'm just making this for my own personal use, so you can make it in the larger quantity if you want to resell. So by the time we get started, the measurement of what you are using, you will be able to know how to add and subtract to be able to get the quantity of the ingredients you need to make a larger quantity. But for your personal use, this is the quantity I am making. So here is my black soap. So I'll be adding in my vitamin C powder. So I'm using 1 tablespoon my vitamin C powder. Here is my lactic acid powder. So I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of my lactic acid powder. So here is my kojic dip powder. This is kojic dip powder. Oh my god. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my kojic dip powder. Then I will mix my powder to my glove, and I'm already putting the glove on my hand. I'll mix it, mix thoroughly well. So the next thing I'll be adding is dope shampoo. So I'll be adding 2 spoons of dope shampoo. This soap is very rich, very rich. Use this and your skin will be saying thank you. Then I'll be adding my Skin Perfector 7-day serum. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it. Here is the bottle, how it looks. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon as well. I've added my Skin Perfector serum. The next thing I'll be adding is honey. I'm also adding one tablespoon. Some people react to honey anyways. There are some people, I've seen people that react to honey. So if your skin reacts to honey, you can opt that side. If your skin reacts to honey, just don't add honey. So this is a very rich whitening black soap, easy and effective, very effective. So here is our whitening black soap. So I can now package into my container. So how to use it: apply it on your body, leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can go and have your shower, wash it off, and you will come back to give me feedback. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to click the like button, and also if you have not subscribed, remember to click the subscribe button to help my channel to grow. Thank you.